What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be fishing with huge worms. They're huge. Hopefully we can catch some fish on some Mondo worms. That is right, I'm going to be using the Mondo worm Guggen baits and see if I can land at least one fish, guys. That is the goal for today. See if we can make it happen. Let's get to it, guys. Alright guys, so these are the baits I'm going to be using for today. They're called Mondo worms and they're 10-inch worms. I mean, they're huge. So hopefully I can at least land one fish today. That is the goal, no matter how big, how small it is. You want to land a big one. Even if it's a small fish, take it. The goal is just to catch a fish on this Mondo worm and see if we can make it happen. It did rain last night, so the fishing should be pretty good this morning. Hopefully we can catch one, guys. Oh guys, I have a fish on, There we go, guys, on the Mondo worm. That's a decent one. No way. Up shallow. No way. No freaking way. Come on, buddy. Come on. Oh, man. He's under the yak. He's under the yak. Come on. Come on. There we go, guys. Our first fish of the day landed on the huge worm. There we go, guys. First fish of the day. Chunky little 1 pounder, 1.5 pounds. Of course, I caught the smallest fish ever on the biggest worm ever. See if we can catch any more. There he goes. I was debating whether to make the challenge today. I was pretty scared. I was like not too sure because catching a fish on a worm of this size is pretty hard at this lake. You know, big baits usually don't work at this lake unless you're fishing in an area where there's big fish. But I thought I'd give it a shot, see if I can get those big fish to come out, or any other fish, guys. So I am surprised we caught at least one fish. I don't know if that's gonna be the only fish we're gonna catch today. Hopefully we don't. Hopefully we can catch another one. Let's get to it. Oh, I have a fish on, guys. I have a fish on. And of course, this is ridiculous. This thing is as long as a fish. Come on, are you serious? Are you actually kidding me? This is insane, guys. There goes the little guy. Let's keep fishing, guys. Oh, I think I had a fish on, guys. No freaking way. Guys, no small fish is gonna eat that. Alright, I'll keep fishing, guys. Oh, guys, I have a fish on. There we go. Third fish of the day, guys. That feels like a decent one. Oh, that's a nice one, guys. That is a nice one. That is a freaking nice one. That is a nice one. That is a decent one, guys. That is a decent one. Not a bad one. Not a bad one. Not a bad one. Oh my gosh. Come on, come on. Get in the net. Get in the net. There we go, guys. Not a bad fish at all. Well, today has been a good day. This is what I was after. He inhaled that thing, guys. Look at that. There we go, guys. Not a bad fish. Third fish of the day. Long, skinny fish. Probably would have been about a 3 pounder if it was chunky. Probably about a 2.5 right now. Go ahead and let this fish go because I did gut hook it. Give it some time in the water. There he goes. So I'm off just fine. Oh, guys, what a fish. All right, see if we can catch one more. I don't know. I'll fish some other spots, maybe with an even bigger bait. So let's keep fishing. All right, guys, so I've made it to the next spot that I'm going to fish. I'm not going to fish here for too long. I just want to fish this deep edge, and right here a little bit I have tied on a huge swim bait, guys. So I'm really chasing after those big fish now. This is huge, guys. I mean, it's big. So we'll go ahead and try this out. Hopefully I can land a fish on this. Hopefully it's a big fish, but we'll see, guys. See if we can make it happen. Oh, guys, I think I have a big fish on. No way. Come on. Come on. Yes. Yes. Oh my God. Come on. Are you serious? Is this a small fish? No way. Oh my gosh, guys. Come on, buddy. Get over here. I thought it was a giant. Well guys, I'm using the biggest baits that I've ever used. I mean, come on, look at that. I thought it was a giant. He annihilated that thing. There you go guys. What is that? Fourth fish of the day? Third fish? I don't know. I can't recall. But anyway, I caught that fish on a huge swim bait. But I let this fish go. I thought that was a giant. Alright everybody, that is going to do it for today's video. Not a bad day at all. I think I caught 4 fish in total. Pretty good day. I managed to catch the smallest fish on the biggest worm ever, guys, which was crazy, but at least we made it happen, guys. At least we caught some fish today. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and leave a like on this video, comment, and subscribe for future videos. And I'll catch y'all next time on JJ Fishes.